Welcome viewers. Today we are going to talk about multiplication of fractions. In the previous lesson, we discussed how can we add or subtract of the fractions. Now we are going to discuss about multiplication of fractions. So before we start, if you look at the statement, to multiply fractions, multiply the numerator together and multiply the denominator together. So means that you should multiply the top numbers together and bottom numbers together. It's as simple as you are thinking about multiplication of fractions. For example, if we have two fractions, 2 out of 5 times 1 out of 5. So as in the definition, we have top numbers together multiply and bottom numbers together, means numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 times 1 equal 2 and 5 times 5 equal 25. So this is your answer. See, it's very simple. We take another example to find out multiplication of two fractions. Like in example number 2, if we are given one mixed number and one fraction, proper fraction, so 1 out of 2 times 3 out of 15. First of all, change mixed fraction into improper fraction. So how can you change? We learned in the last video. So 2 times 2, it becomes 4, then plus 1. So here we plus, here we multiply. So 2 times 2 equal 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. So 5 out of 2 times 3 out of 15. Okay, this question is more interesting question. We have two ways to solve this question. First of all, I'm applying the same rule what we done in the previous part. Numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. Mean top with top and bottom with bottom. 5 times 3 equal 15. 2 times 15 equals 30. Now, as we done in the previous video as well, if we have a common number between numerator and denominator, we have to cancel them. So if you observe that this is multiple of 5 and 30 also multiple of 5. So it means we can cancel both number, or first make a factor of it. So 3 times 5 give you 15 and 10 times or you can say 6 times 5 give you 30. So cancel this number, or if you look at here directly you can cancel as 15 times 1 equal 15 and 15 times 2 equals 30. So it means both number multiple of 15 as well. Or first cancel them with the fraction this number. So what left here? We left here 3 out of 6. Still we have common number between numerator and denominator. So 3 times 1 equal 3 and 3 times 2 equal 6. So we cancel these. So it becomes 1 and it becomes 2. So answer is 1 out of 2. So as you see that I made very simple, but if you directly cancel for this part, you can get the answer same as it is. So 15 times 1 equal 15 and 30 times 15 times 2 equals 30. So it means this is half. So you can do directly from here. So you can cancel directly, so you will get the answer. So it's up to you. Either you can go to make it more simple, then simplify more, then you can get the answer. Or if you understood at the beginning, so whatever the common between it, so cancel that one. So 15 and 30 can cancel each other. So you can cancel directly and you get the same answer as you found at the end of that. This is what we have. Another way you can find out, if you observe that question, I'm writing only this fraction part here after converting mixed number into improper fraction. So I'm writing that one. We had here 5 out of 2 times 3 out of 15. So if you observe that, we can cancel the numbers here. This 3 and 15 are common to each other, so you can cancel it. So it means 3 cancel, 3 times 1 equal 3, and 3 times 5 give you 15. So 5 comes here. Still, if you observe that, there is 5 here and 5 here, 5 here and 5 here. So they are same. So it means we can cancel them. So what left only? It means 1 left here and 1 left here. So 1 times 1 give you 1, and 2 times 1 give you 2. So 1 out of 2. So this is your answer. So you can go for it. And here one more important thing you have to remember. In fraction with the addition and subtraction, we cannot cancel diagonally. For example, we have here, let's suppose I have here 2 out of 4 plus 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6. If you observe that 6 is multiple of 2. 6 is multiple of 2. And we have here in the diagonal, it means if we see that 6 multiplied, so it may possible to cancel them. But as I said here, in addition or subtraction, the fraction cannot cancel diagonally. They cannot cancel diagonally. Means slant or vertical. Okay, slant. But we can cancel vertically them. We can cancel them vertically if possible. As this is 2 and 4 is multiple of 2. So we can cancel them. We can simplify them. So it becomes 1. It becomes 2. But we cannot cancel 2 with 6. As we have plus or minus sign between two fractions. But if there is a multiplication between them, we can cancel diagonally, we can cancel vertically. Okay, any way we can cancel it. So either you can cancel at the beginning of the question, or at the end of the question, But I'm repeating my statement, we cannot cancel the fraction diagonally, but we can cancel them vertically if possible. So 2 cannot cancel with 6, but 2 can cancel by 4. So after cancel, we get here 1 out of 2 plus 1 out of 6. Now we can simplify. How can you make them same as we done in the previous video? So we need to multiply here the number which can make it same, because 6 is multiple of 2. So 3 is there, 3 is the number which can make it same. So it becomes 3 times 1 equals 3, and 3 times 2 equals 6. So as we had learned it, if the same denominator we have, we can add or subtract them. So keep the denominator same as it is, but write the numerator, the top number, with the sign whatever given here. So here we are given plus sign, so we write plus here. So 1. So it becomes 4 out of 6. Now after that, again we have to check either it can be simplified or not. So it is. So if it can simplify, we can. So 4 is multiple of 2, and 6 also multiple of 2. So 2 cancel from here. So we can divide it by 2 here, divided by 2 here. So what left here? It becomes 2. It becomes 3. So this is your final answer. Hope you understand. Thank you very much.